My name is Ambassador Eniola Ajala. Like I used to tell people, a successful life can never be measured by the amount of money you have in your bank account, or the type of house you build, or the type of car you ride, but the number of people you touch their life in a positive ways. Life is all about contribution, it's not consumption. Life is not output, it's input. It's about impact you make in the life of people. That's why I want to use this medium to speak to you all about the vision of KEDI Impact Fund. KEDI has always been a platform of transformation, transforming health, transforming finances, and transforming this destiny. But beyond personal growth and business success lies a high calling, the call to serve humanity. And KEDI Impact Fund embodies that higher calling. This fund is a reflection of our shared value, compassion, responsibilities, and community. It is a proof that KEDI is not only building successful entrepreneurs, but also building a culture of generosity and impact. Through this initiative, KEDI is reaching out to the community, supporting those in need, and extending practical help where it truly matters. I therefore urge every distributors, every leaders, and the general public at large to embrace this vision wholeheartedly. Support KEDI Impact Fund with your resources, with your influence, and your participation. That is our calling. Impact the life of people positively. Encourage your team to get involved. Make it a part of your mission. When we align our success with service, our impact becomes unstoppable. Together, we can strengthen community, uplift family, and bring hope to a place where it is most needed. Let us not only be known for the business we build as a networkers, but also for the life we touch. Thank you, and may we continue to grow not just in profit, but in purpose. Thank you, and God bless.